How to fix Spotify premium subscription problem. Now, to fix a Spotify's premium subscription problem, now it depends upon what kind of problem you're facing in the first place. Maybe you're trying to subscribe to Spotify premium, maybe you already subscribed but the premium is not showing, or there is some kind of issue with your plan or your subscription. Whatever the case is, instead of using the app to view this data, I would recommend that you open your browser because we have a much more comprehensive information on our browser. So in our browser, you want to simply open it up and go to Spotify.com, and let's log into our account by tapping the three lines icon from the top right and going to the login option. So here I'll just go ahead and then simply type in my email address here, and I can go ahead and then also type in my password. So let me just type that in. And let me just go ahead and then type in my email and password in this case. So it'll send a 6-digit code. So first I'll just go ahead and then verify the 6-digit code in this case. So let me copy this and I'll just come back and paste it. And once I've done that, you can see I'm successfully logged into my account. Now, to view any type of subscription details, we will tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side and we will go to the option called View Account from the very top. Now, when we come to this view account section, you can see I'm still on the free plan. So it means I haven't subscribed. And if I want to subscribe, I can tap on the join premium button here. I can choose a plan based on my particular needs, fill up my payment information and subscribe to Spotify premium. If you're already subscribed but you're facing any kind of issue, or maybe you'd like to cancel it, you can just try to go to manage a subscription option over here, and you'll see any type of subscription issues that you're facing over here, like whether there's a change with your payment info or anything like that. If it is showing premium, but if in our app it's not showing premium, right, then just try to log out of your account like this by going to settings and privacy, log out and re-log in to reload the premium. So this way you can hopefully fix the Spotify's premium subscription problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video.